Lamborghini will completely grasp mixture innovation with its next leader supercar. The Aventador successor is expected in the mid-2020s. Lamborghini will grasp charge in its cutting-edge leader supercar, which will arrive before the actual arranged time in the following decade. Addressing Auto Express in front of the UK presentation of the new Urus SUV, Lamborghini Research and Development Manager Maurizio Reggiani uncovered that a swap for the Aventador, propelled in 2011, will touch base in the mid-2020s with cross-breed control. The cutting-edge supersport auto will be founded on module half-breed innovation, uncovered Reggiani, including that the firm will coordinate module tech to a trademark normally suctioned V12. The estimation of our image depends on our best finished result. It must be extremely the unadulterated translation of a supersport auto. We are certain that one of the things you should offer on a supersport auto is a V12 normally suctioned motor. The auto should be designed for half-breed or not for mixture. The supersport auto can't be a trade-off, Reggiani included, affirming that the Aventador substitution will be offered as a mixture with no unadulterated burning choice. An all-electric Lamborghini isn't a piece of the association's prompt designs, however isn't a showcase past the cutting-edge crossover supercar. Featured by the electric, modern Terzo Miglio Idea Auto uncovered toward the end of last year, Reggiani showed that battery innovation needs to promote before a Lamborghini F turns into a plausibility. For us, the super game auto must have the capacity to do the quickest Nürburgring time, however it must have the capacity to rehash this a few times. It can't be one shot, he clarified. Right now with a battery electric vehicle you can have control for one lap at fast, or vitality for more laps yet slower speed. This does not fit with the supersport mark. The following stage as far as our item range will be founded on half-and-half innovation as the level of learning will be prepared. Not for full electric vehicles, most likely we require another circle of items. This will be next of next.